Hi, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and welcome to my channel. We have my favorite little box that comes in the mail, so I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get Sew Sampler opened. It's very heavy, and it seems to be heavier than normal. Ooh, it's really full. Okay, bees and braids. Oh, bees and braids, September 25. And join us for Social Lights 3. So it's a quilt along, all about connecting with other quilters. So that's nice. On October 10 quilting live stream, they'll talk about it again. That's with Fat Quarter Shop. Special Sew Sampler savings, receive a free 9-inch jelly braid paper with your next $40 purchase, and there's a promo code. And then another quilt pattern, Jelly Roll Cabin Shortcut Quilt. And that's shown in 3 sizes. And there's a free quilt pattern. I think you can access it from the website, and it's also has a QR code on the back here. Now, one of the other people that open up boxes showed the QR code, but I think you'd better go look at the Fat Quarter Shop website, because I'm not confident about giving that out. That's all. But let's look at the next thing. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh my goodness. They do such a nice job on this. This is the fabric. Look at this. It's a jelly roll. I wonder how to open that. Like that. It says it's a junior jelly roll. So that means it has how many pieces in it? Let's read that. Yeah. Sun-drenched, 100% cotton, 2.5-inch strips. And these all have blues and wheat, looks like wheat, and cornflower, blue cornflowers. Oh, these are pretty. Let's do this. So there's beige, and then there's some taupe. And some pale blue. And some navy blue. Oh, this is a real pretty one. Look at that one. Woo! How'd I miss that one? Those must be on this one. Stripe. Nice golden. Pale blue. That pretty flower. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a honey color. I wonder if there's bees in this. Did I see bees? Bees and braids. Let's see. Are there bees in here? Oh, there's some bees. And navy blue beads. Pale blue bees. Orangey honey color bees. And another bee. Combo of blue and honey. And then more flowers. This is so lovely. Wow. Those are beautiful fabrics. I love them. And the pattern, let's look at the pattern. Where's that at? Dutch Braids Table Runner. Isn't that pretty? And with all those little bee fabrics, that's going to be fun. Oh, and it uses a braid paper. Oh, so that's what this is. 5-inch jelly braid paper. 50 feet. Creates intricate braids with easy-to-use paper. Perfect for scraps and pre-cuts, including jelly rolls, layer cakes, fat eighths, and fat quarters, and more. Well, what else is there? Fat quarters and fat eighths, layer cakes, jelly roll. Well, anyway, it's So Emma, and it's paper, and we're going to make this braided look using the strips. I think that'll be fun. I like it. I'll look forward to that one. As I've been looking forward to all of them, but I mean, this one looks more fun to me because I'm going to immediately want to use it on my table. And then here's interesting something. A quilt project book in the Kimberly Jolly blue. Sort of like that blue and sort of like that blue. Oh, and that blue. Let's see if I can get that open. All right, let's see. Oh, it's like a record book to keep track of your projects. Yeah, that'll be great. That'll be great. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, look, a pink seam ripper from Clover. Well, that'll be fun. That'll go right along with my blue one. And you already see how many times I use a seam ripper. So it's a nice one. Has a nice feel to it. It has a little cover that goes on it. Now let's see what else is in here. Oh boy, here's our flowering. I don't think I'll pick those colors, but I'm going to be using my blue and my taupe, and I'll be making flowering. You'll see it soon. Feeling Freesia. That's nice. Feeling Freesia. Well, I love freesia flowers. And this is exclusive to the Fat Quarter Sew Sampler box. So look at all the stuff we got. We got a beautiful junior jelly roll. Does that mean 20 strips? Because a full jelly roll is 40, something like that. Then we got the braided paper. Lots of heavy stuff this time. And a book, more paper. But I like it because I need to keep track of my stuff. And a really nice seam ripper. Nice. And a very good pattern for this Dutch braid with the jelly roll table topper. It's a nice color too. It'd work well for fall or spring. And let's see what else. Oh, and of course we have flowering. What a haul! Look at this. There's the seam ripper. So this is going to be a fun project. Thanks, Kimberly Jolly. And here's that beautiful insert with the computer key codes on the back. Key codes. That's not the right word, but you know what I mean. It's access to the new products there. And here's our description. And I think I was watching one of the other websites and they said we had like a $50-some difference between what we paid for it and what was expected to be retail cost for all of these products. So that is a super, super Dana Weapon box. Okay, so there's our beautiful sew sampler box. And I can't wait to get started on the projects. I've used this kind of paper before, not in the braid, but in some kind of other shape. It was last year. And it turned out really good. I mean, they're very, very accurate. Okay then, thanks. That's our sew sampler box. Okay, bye now.